Most people think being poor is simply a result of not earning enough money, but that's not always true. There are people earning six-figure incomes who still struggle financially, and others earning average salaries who quietly build wealth over time. So, what's the difference? Often, it comes down to a handful of financial habits that slowly drain your ability to build wealth. And today, we're going to talk about 7 money mistakes that quietly keep people stuck financially. You might even recognize a few of them in your own life. Money problems rarely appear overnight. Instead, they usually develop slowly through small decisions repeated over time. A subscription here, a car upgrade there, a purchase that doesn't seem like a big deal. Individually, these choices seem harmless, but over years or decades, they can completely change someone's financial future. In this video, we'll break down 7 common money mistakes that prevent people from building wealth, and why these habits can quietly keep people living paycheck to paycheck. Some of these mistakes are incredibly common, and the surprising part, most people don't even realize they're making them. So as you watch this video, ask yourself a simple question. Which of these habits might be affecting your own financial future? Let's start with money mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation. This happens when your spending increases every time your income increases. You get a raise, so you upgrade your car. You get a promotion, so you move into a larger home. At first, it feels like progress. But here's the problem. If your expenses rise just as fast as your income, you never actually move ahead financially. Now pause for a moment. If your income doubled tomorrow, would your savings double too? Or would your lifestyle simply expand? That one question reveals a lot. Money mistake number 2, waiting too long to start saving. Many people believe they'll start saving once they earn more money, but years go by, and that moment never seems to arrive. The reality is that time is one of the most powerful forces in finance. Even small amounts saved consistently over decades can grow significantly, but when someone waits 10 or 15 years to begin, that opportunity becomes much smaller. Here's a thought to consider. Is it better to start small today, or wait until you have more money later? For most people, the answer is obvious once they think about it. Money mistake number 3, relying too much on debt. Credit cards, car loans, and financing options make it easy to buy things immediately, and sometimes debt can be useful. But when debt becomes a habit, it starts working against you. Instead of your money building wealth, it's constantly being used to pay off past purchases. Now here's a quick mental exercise. Imagine how much money someone might save if they avoided interest payments for the next 20 years. The number might surprise you. Money mistake number 4, not tracking spending. Many people have no idea where their money actually goes each month. They know roughly what they earn. But expenses? Those are often a mystery. Small purchases, coffee, apps, subscriptions, impulse buys, add up more quickly than most people realize. And when spending isn't tracked, it becomes difficult to control. Money, mistake number 5, trying to impress other people. This one is surprisingly common. People buy expensive cars, luxury items, or designer brands not because they truly need them, but because they want to appear successful. The irony? Many wealthy people avoid these habits entirely. Instead of spending money to impress others, they focus on building financial security. So here's a question worth asking. Are your financial decisions based on what you truly value or what others might think? Money. Mistake number 6, ignoring financial education. Most people spend years learning how to earn money, but very little time learning how to manage it. Understanding basic concepts like saving, budgeting, and long-term investing can completely change someone's financial trajectory. And yet many people never take the time to learn these skills. The good news? Financial education is more accessible today than ever before. Money, mistake number 7, thinking wealth happens quickly. Many people expect dramatic financial success in a short period of time, but real wealth usually grows slowly, quietly, and consistently over years and decades. And the people who understand this tend to make better financial decisions because they focus on the long game. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine 2 coworkers, Daniel and Marcus. Both earn similar salaries and start working around the same time. Daniel spends most of his income as it comes in. New gadgets, a nicer car, frequent upgrades to lifestyle. Marcus takes a different approach. He enjoys his income too, but he also sets aside a portion consistently. At first, their lives look almost identical, but 10 years later, the difference becomes noticeable. Marcus has built a financial cushion and growing investments. Daniel, despite earning the same income, still feels financially stretched, not because of income differences, but because of the habits they developed early on. Small decisions, repeated many times. So, how can someone avoid these common financial mistakes? Here are a few practical ideas. Tip number 1: automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to build financial stability is to automate savings. When money is automatically set aside before it can be spent, saving becomes effortless. Tip number 2: track where your money goes. Even a simple monthly review of expenses can reveal surprising patterns. Once people see where their money is going, they often find easy opportunities to improve. Tip number 3: avoid lifestyle inflation. When income increases, try increasing savings at the same time. This simple habit allows financial progress to accelerate instead of stall. Tip number 4: focus on long-term thinking. Before making major purchases, ask yourself a simple question. Will this decision still matter to me 5 years from now? This pause can prevent many impulsive financial choices. Tip number 5: continue learning about money. Financial knowledge compounds over time. The more someone understands how money works, the easier it becomes to make smarter decisions. Most people don't struggle financially because of one massive mistake. Instead, it's usually a series of small habits that quietly slow financial progress. Lifestyle inflation, delayed saving, debt reliance, lack of financial awareness. But the encouraging news is this: small changes in financial behavior can lead to dramatically different outcomes over time. And the earlier someone starts making those changes, the more powerful they become. Understanding how money works is one of the most valuable skills anyone can develop, because once you understand the principles behind wealth building, your financial decisions start to change. And those small decisions can shape your future in powerful ways. If you want to continue learning about personal finance, money habits, and how wealth grows over time, be sure to watch the next video where we break down another important financial concept that can completely change how you think about money. Because learning how money works is one of the first steps toward building a stronger financial future.